Vytal Manufacturing is a company that makes gun parts 100% in-house right here in St. Louis. My name is Derek Parker, owner of Vytal Manufacturing.
I am Jason Matthews. I'm the programmer, designer, setup guy, everything-ish.
I'm Zach. I'm the anodic operator. I anodize the parts, and I'll learn the rest of the stuff. I want to do as much as these guys too.
How did you guys meet?
Drinking club.
Yeah. Off-Broadway music venue. Big shout out to the owners, Steve Pullman and Kip Kellison. They supported me in gun stuff when it was like a really socially and politically unfriendly topic. When I started working there, Jason was bartending.
I drank there.
Yeah, and played music there as well.
On occasion,
Yeah.
when they'd let me.
We were all attempted musicians at the time.
I've worked in the industry for a while, and I brought some products to market for other people. I decided it was time that I do it for myself and my ideas. And so I could work with him, clearly.
The most fun guy in the shop.
Yeah.
On the clock, it's Jason Caution Matthews.
Yeah, 100%.
Well, didn't you used to be, was it Raw Dog?
I did, yeah. Yeah. I used to go on float trips. Jason always elected himself as the navigator on a river.
I did my job well.
No.
When I navigated the river
How
for
many
you.
trees did you guys hit?
How many?
Well, it's
you should be able to pull up this log at some point.
Oh, a log.
It's
Was
a
that
raft.
pun?
It
Was that a pun?
bounces off the logs.
I remember trying to catch bats one night, like with our hats.
Yep.
I don't know if we caught any.
We didn't.
What is Principal Beef?
It was a joke band that got out of hand.
Where'd the name come from?
Oh,
Wasn't it you?
yeah, I don't remember.
I feel like it was you. It wasn't you.
What's that supposed to mean?
You didn't
Remember
do shit.
that it
You
was-
played the trash can. We got some around here, man. We could start this band again.
It was a Rubbermaid though, so it was a quality trash can.
We need a shot banjo.
Yeah.
Yeah, we do.
Is that what we need?
What's the dumbest thing you've ever seen someone do at a range?
Jason, what's the dumbest thing you've seen at the range?
Me?
Oh man, that was gonna be my joke.
Oh.
What's the coolest thing you've seen someone do at a range?
I once saw this old head Danish dude shoot a rock out of the air with a revolver from his hip. And then he kicked my ass in a USPSA match. He was shooting a revolver.
Here's your ass, sir.
Yeah, pretty much, man.
Derek, what are you proudest of?
I guess the life I've built, persevered, and made a lot of cool stuff.
I'm proudest of my 3-year-old daughter, Francesca. She's awesome and a badass.
What am I proudest of? These motherfucking Nebula dress shoes I did the other day.
What's that mean?
That's a product we offer here, Jason, I think.
Shoes?
I have been sober for 6 months and 20 days. Coming here, staying busy, it's definitely helped me not drink myself into oblivion every night.
Derek, which cat is your favorite?
Well, Detective Baby is like way up here. And the other two are, I think they just tolerate me because I feed them.
How can you have favorites among your children? That's terrible.
It's not children, they're cats.
Spoken like a guy who's got one kid.
Yep.
What's intriguing about machinery?
My grandfather was a machinist. We have at our house a window frame that he made for the Apollo missions. We have a ton of his tools here.
It still works in this shop.
Yeah.
I remember like being a little kid, having to put on the earplugs and the safety glasses to find my dad. He finds it probably comical because growing up, I certainly did everything to not be like him. In the end, doing the same old thing.
Okay. Who was Miyamoto Musashi?
Miyamoto Musashi was a gangster back in feudal Japan. I read a lot of the Book of Five Rings. There's a lot of those principles that I like to apply to my life. So that's how we wound up with the Musashi quote on the back of the grips.
Technically, I put it on the back of
He
it.
does.
I'm Laser Boy.
Yeah, he chooses whether it's the Musashi quote or
Taylor Swift.
we are a big Taylor Swift shop.
Swifties
Yep.
for life.
You're 4 years in, you're succeeding. What's the vision for 4 years from now?
I can't tell you. There are a lot of ideas that I've had for a really long time. Now I'm finally in a position where we can bring this really cool stuff to the market. I was a shooter before I was a manufacturer. Where I see us in another 4 years is being a prominent figure in the industry. Able to get our customers a much wider spectrum of really, really cool gun parts.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.